Hello guys, welcome to the CPT Markets Education channel. So today is March 6th, which is Friday. So tonight, United States will publish the non-farm payroll index. So before start, I have the news I want to share you guys. New restriction of the release of the government data by the U.S. Department of Labor will take effect this month. In other words, the non-agriculture sector last month was the last non-agriculture issue issued by the Ministry of the Labor before the new regulation was finalized. By government, median organizations like Bombard will install computers in blocked rooms, review January employment data in the advice, and publish news highlights and full text on time at 9:30 Beijing time. The median will provide investors with the sample analysis of the whether non-agricultural data performance is in line with expectation, which in true will be an important basis for predicting economic growth, inflation, corporate earnings, and federal actions. On January 16th, the U.S. Department of Labor announced major changes to the way government data is released to provide data leakage January and prohibition from using computer in blocked rooms from March 1st. As a result, the median process release will lag slightly behind the official release on the government website. So how does this affect our traders? So the first, without releasable news medium providing official figure and comparison with prediction immediately, investor may seek to find the latest information from the social media, and the social of the for this information is not necessarily releasable, which may be misleading or confusing for our traders. And the second, when the news medium has no way to know the data is advised, the data can only be optioned from the official government website, which means at once time is released, the number of visitors to the government website will increase sharply, which may cause the website to crash. So tonight, it's a new way to publish the non-farm payroll. Okay, let's see and how we analyze. Okay, let's go find another very important data which at Wednesday night. Okay, just a second. Okay, here. USD ADP employment changed. Okay, let's see the number. For the last month, which shows 209,000 people changed. So the market forecast was 117,000. And for the result, the published, it's 183,000, which means it's increased a little bit from the market analysis, but still lower than the last month. So for tonight, okay, let's see, Friday night. Here, first of all, we see the non-farm payroll, USD. So for the last month, the result will be the 225,000. and the market for analysis was 175,000. So for tonight, the published number, it should be above than the market forecast, but it still will be lower than the last month. So the number should be between 175,000 to 225,000. So this is probably tonight will be the number. Also, for another very important data, it's unemployment rate. So now let's see the number. Unemployment rate last month was 3.6, and also the market for analysis here also 930 USD employment rate. So 3.6 market analysis last month 3.6. So it seems no change, but for tonight maybe it will like decrease to the 3.5, or maybe it's no change 3.6. It's slightly changed. So this is almost tonight for the data analysis or forecast. Okay, let's go back to the market and we see how the number changed. So now the USD index is just around 96.6. So it's decreased a lot. The highest for this movement, the highest will be almost 100. It's 99.90. And the lowest number, so tonight, until now, it's 96.45. So around this number, 96.5, it should be a very strong support area around there. We see that for the last lowest point, it's record 96.29. So it's almost very close to the last lowest point. So which means US index it's almost hit the bottom. So in the future time, it should be rebound again. So as the result, we know. Also, we can see the Euro USD. Now it's today it's touched the 1.1250. Also, it's very strong pressure here. If the US dollar index is hit the bottom, which means the euro will hit the pressure. In the future time, it should be decreased a little bit. Also, another very important commodity, now we see the gold price. So today it's already hit the 1,680. If the price continue goes up and hit the highest point 1,689. If the price above that, and the very strong pressure will be the 1,700. So in short term, the gold price will continue goes up. So just be very carefully. Okay, that is almost for the analysis or forecast for the non-farm payroll index. So how we know the result, and we need until see tonight 9:30. Just don't forget that if you want to trade, just pay attention at tonight 9:30 USD non-farm payroll index. Okay, it's almost there. Thank you for your guys, and we see you next video. Bye bye.